So, class 10, in our last class, we had discussed the function of entrepreneurs. So, today we will discuss the role and importance of entrepreneur. So, let's see. The role of entrepreneur in the development of enterprise play the role like the role of your parents in the growth of children. So, the first point is enterprising man. A business does not get started by itself. These entrepreneurs who take the risks and willing to take as a failure also. Great achievers. Entrepreneurs as a high achievers. They are willing to work hard to achieve something. Reinventing. Usually it is very small at beginning. If it's become successful, they expand their business. Job creation. As the business successful, it needs more work to be done. So it's create job also. First mover. Entrepreneur has to enter in the market first to avoid competition in the market. So he has to play the role as a first mover in the market. Higher productivity. Ability to produce more goods and services with less import. Visionary leader. So, any success you have in your life must begin with a good vision. The visionary entrepreneur has to see the exact thing what he has to be achieve in his life. Economic prosperity. They create the job and economic prosperity. They are the important people in the monarch economy. Capitalist. They are the backbone of capitalist. They plays a vital role in the enterprise because he control the market by assuming the role of as a leader. And the last one is protector. Entrepreneur is a protector of the society. They do some good cause of society. So these are the some important role played by the entrepreneurs. Thank you.